This is giving me some serious like Khaleesi wig vibes. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sarah, and we could have special effects tutorials mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, I finally got on the bandwagon of the Bratz challenge, which is essentially doing your makeup in rendition or recreating a Bratz doll. There are quite a few of these Bratz dolls that have been basically just like redone on different accounts. I'll post a couple of them here. But I specifically decided to make this guy right here, or like recreate. So if you want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. First I'm coming in with Sand Dollar on a very fluffy brush. This is just the ColourPop E2 brush. I'm putting that as my transition color. And then coming in with Cupcake, a shadow from Makeup Geek, and adding that mostly into my crease, but also slightly up. This is going to make a more seamless finish. As for the crease color, I'm using a mixture of Rosy and Silver Lining. I'm just adding that into my crease. Coming back in with the ColourPop E2 brush, I'm going to be diffusing that out as best as possible. At first with no additional product, but if you do need help, you can totally go back in with that pink. Now as for the crease, I'm coming in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, which is just going to be a white concealer, and a ultra fine eyeliner brush. To better blend out the edges, I'm going to be using my ColourPop E1 brush with just silver linings on it. Then back in with a very small angled brush, going to be just basically darkening up the edges to make it almost have like an eyeliner appearance but with eyeshadow. Then blending that out a little bit further. As my base for the next step, I'm coming in with Barbie Girl from Morphe. And over that I'm coming in with ColourPop's Over Again, a Supernova shadow. Then to diffuse that line, I'm just coming in with my finger. Continuing on to my bottom waterline, I'm just coming in with a kohl pencil and I'm just going to be lining it. Taking Rosy again on a small angled brush, I'm just going to be going over the line that we just put down. Then diffused out with Cupcake once again. Last and final steps. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!